In this video, we're diving into how to build a website from scratch and what every small business owner needs to consider. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions. Building a website can feel daunting if you've never done it before, but with careful planning, the right tools, and a step-by-step approach, you can create a site that represents your brand and serves your customers effectively. So let's walk through the process from beginning to end. Step 1, define your purpose and goals. Now, before writing a single line of code or choosing a template, clarify why you need a website. Are you setting up an online store, showcasing your services, sharing information, or building a community? Define specific goals like increasing sales by 20%, collecting email leads, or booking consultations. Knowing your objectives will influence your design and content choices. Identify your audience. Who's your ideal visitor? Understanding their needs, preferences, and pain points helps you create a website that speaks directly to them. If your audience is local, highlight your physical location. If you serve a niche industry, then use language and imagery that they relate to. Think about what information they'll be seeking and how you can deliver it efficiently. Step 2, choose a domain and hosting. Your domain name is your digital address. Choose something memorable, easy to spell, and reflective of your brand. Research domain registrars to find a good deal and consider factors like renewal costs and privacy protection. Once you have a domain, pick a hosting provider. Hosting is where your website files live, and reliability here is key. Look for hosts that offer solid uptime, good support, and scalability. Providers like Network Solutions is super awesome for this, which is what I recommend, especially if this is your very first site. So if you want to get started with Network Solutions, we've got a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. So from here, you can go ahead and use their AI domain search to find a domain that's going to work for you. Then you can build your website, host your website, and protect your website. So let's go ahead and we'll just go ahead and select on host your website. And here you can see their different hosting plans. So they got the starter plan starting at $2.99 per month for a 1-year term. They've got the essential plan at $4.99 per month on a 1-year term, and the premium plan for $6.99 per month on a 1-year term. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to go ahead and see that the second and third, this essential and premium plan, come with a year free domain and a year free SSL certificate. So that's something to definitely consider. The SSL certificate is going to keep your site secure and safe for not only you, but also your visitors and their information, which is just going to help build trust and credibility. So let's say we want to go with this option right here. You can go ahead and click on add to cart. And then here you can go ahead and search for a domain. So maybe something like Eric Hunsaker Coaching. We'll go ahead and search for that domain. So here we go. We've got essential hosting for erichunsaker.com at $59.88. We're also going to get that SSL certificate, and then we're going to get the domain for free as well as the domain privacy and protection. They're also saying that if we want to add this domain expiration protection, we can. Now, one more thing we're going to want to do here is in the promo code area, I'll go ahead and put some promo codes on the screen as well as down in the description. So we've got one for 50% off the annual builder, 20% off for hosting, and 20% off for domains as well. So for this one, since we're not doing the annual builder and they're throwing in a domain for free, we'll use the code for the 20% off hosting. So for that, it's going to be CC20H. So we'll go CC20H, click apply, and there we go. We're going to go ahead and save some more money. So for only $47.90, we get a full year of hosting, we get a domain, and an SSL certificate, which is a screaming deal. So go ahead and click the link down in the description and use those codes at checkout. Step 3, plan your site structure. Sketch out the pages that you need and how they connect. Some typical pages include home, about, services, contact, and blog. E-commerce sites require product pages and a shopping cart. A clear structure makes navigation intuitive and helps visitors find what they're looking for. Step 4, design and build. Now, you got a couple different options here when it comes to network solutions. You can use the website builder. So this is built into it, and this is definitely the easiest route. This will give you a drag and drop editor, some pre-designed templates, and built-in features. If you choose this route, sign up, select a template, and just customize it to your needs. Website builders handle hosting and maintenance, freeing you from managing servers or updates. Option 2, use WordPress.org with a theme. So WordPress.org is an open source content management system that powers a large portion of the internet. You install WordPress on your hosting account, choose a theme, either a free one or a paid one, and extend functionality with plugins. This option offers way more flexibility and control than website builders, but requires more technical knowledge. You'll need to handle updates, backups, and security. Option 3, hire a professional. If you need custom design or advanced functionality, hiring a web designer or developer may be worthwhile. They can build a site tailored to your business, integrate custom features, and ensure that everything functions smoothly. This option costs more upfront upfront, but can save you time and provide a unique result. Step 5, create engaging content. Content is the heart of your website. Write clear, concise copy that speaks to your audience. Highlight benefits rather than just features. Use headings and bullet points to break up the text. Invest in professional photography or use high-quality stock images relevant to your brand. If you're selling products, ensure that each item has a compelling description and clear photos. You also want to consider accessibility, so make sure that your website is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Use high contrast colors, provide alt text for images, and ensure that forms and buttons are easy to use with keyboard navigation. Accessibility is not only the right thing to do, but it broadens your audience and can improve SEO. Step 6, optimize for search engines. Search engine optimization helps people find your website. Include relevant keywords naturally in your page titles, headings, and body text. Write meta descriptions that accurately summarize each page. Use descriptive URLs and add alt text to images. Create internal links between pages to help visitors navigate and search engines crawl your site. Consider starting a blog to regularly add fresh content, which search engines love. Step 7, test and launch. Before going live, test your website thoroughly. Check links, forms, and interactive elements. Test the site on different devices and browsers to ensure consistent performance. Ask friends or colleagues to provide feedback on usability and clarity. When everything works as expected, publish your site and announce it on social media or via email. Step 8, maintain and update. A website's a living project. Monitor your analytics to see how visitors interact with your site. Update content regularly to keep it current. If you're using a CMS, install updates to keep your site secure. Back up your site so you can recover it if something goes wrong, and consider adding new features over time, such as a newsletter sign up or online booking. All right, now with those steps out of the way, let's go ahead and walk through exactly what this looks like using Network Solutions and its built-in web builder. So after you go ahead and get set up, you'll be met with something that looks similar like this, where it's going to walk you through their setup wizard to go ahead and create your own professional website for your small business. So it's just going to start by asking a couple of questions here. First, what is the name of your website or business? We're going to do this for an example of a coffee shop that I own in an alternate reality called Eric's Coffee Shop. What is your website about? My website is for my coffee shop. I will have a blog. I will sell merch and talk about, describe your brand or business in a few sentences. What makes it unique? We sell organic, free trade coffee in a mid-century modern vibe shop. We aim to curate your vibe for the day while working at our coffee shop and drinking our delicious, sustainable coffee. All right, and let's click let's go. All right, and as you can see, Network Solutions is already getting to work on our website. So now we can style it up. And what I love about this is if this is your very first website and you're more of a business owner, less of a designer, they're gonna go ahead and take care of a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So we've got a couple things that we can choose from. We've got this modern one, we've got this playful option, this professional option, this bold option, or this classic option. I think I'm liking this playful one, honestly. Next, we'll go to header image. It's got this one selected here, but with that small little thing there, I think, oh yeah, I think that's the one right there. I love me a cup of Chemex. Let's just see. And what's great about this is too, you can also upload your own, but for this example, yeah, we'll just be using a stock image. Next, we'll go ahead and select our colors. So it's gonna have some recommended colors, but you can also choose your own custom ones. So let's find something that fits. Do you kind of like that one? Yeah, I like that yellow. Next, we'll go fonts. And we can go ahead and just click around here, see how it's going to affect our site. I kind of like this one here. Next, we'll select our logo. We don't have one, so we'll just go ahead and skip that. Writing tone. We'll go ahead and do friendly. Headline, elevate your coffee experience today. That's okay, but yeah, we'll leave that for now. And next, we'll go to sections. So here, we're going to select the sections that we want for our website. We'll have the header and the footer. We'll go ahead and have a contact form and an about section. And next, we'll select apps. So we'll go ahead and turn on the online store and turn on the blog. You don't need an appointment scheduler. That's not really relevant for this business, but maybe you're a hairstylist or a personal trainer or a masseuse or something like that. This is just a built-in appointment scheduler, which just makes it all super cohesive to, have that built in right to your website. All right, next we'll go ahead and click skip here, and it's gonna go ahead and get to work on our website here. And in just a second, I'll be able to show you exactly what it built for us with very minimal effort, which is what I love about Network Solutions. Okay, and there we go. So we can sort of see what our thing looks like here. Let's go ahead and open it in the editor so we can go ahead and see everything and go ahead and make any changes that we need to here. Okay, so now we are here inside of the editor. And as you can see, we've pretty much got an entire website and we haven't really done anything. So we've got our homepage here. We saw this section already. We scroll down. Welcome to Eric's Coffee Shop, your coffee sanctuary. At Eric's Coffee Shop, we serve only the finest organic and fair trade coffee in a charming mid-century modern setting. Explore our blog for coffee culture stories, shop unique merch, and discover the warm community vibe that makes every visit special. Join us for an unforgettable coffee experience today. Love it. Beautiful. Is it perfect? No. Is it a fantastic starting point? Absolutely. So we scroll down here and we've got this contact form so people can ask us questions or whatnot. Maybe that's relevant to this, maybe it's not, but you can make that call for your own website and your own business. And sweet, we can see that our blog contains no posts yet, but as we start adding posts, it will live right here. So this is pretty sweet. Now, one thing that you want to really make sure that you do is make sure it looks good on mobile. In today's day and age, most of your traffic is going to come from mobile. So you really want to prioritize that. I'm really guilty of making it look fantastic on desktop only to neglect the mobile experience, then have to go in and basically rebuild the website again to make it look good on mobile. So don't be like me and learn from my mistakes. So as we go ahead and just look through here, again, we can see that this looks fantastic. Now, obviously you want to come in here and customize it to your needs, but let's just take a quick look at the builder here. So if you wanted to add an element, you can see like as I'm hovering over here, it sort of outlines the section that you're at. So you can click add element here if you need to add something and choose from any of these different elements here, right? So there's different design things like buttons, shapes, videos, progress, countdown. Maybe you're hosting an event and you want to count down to that. We could do that here. Go ahead and drop that over there. We'll make that a little smaller there like that. Maybe our grand opening is coming up and we want to, announce that. So we've got that there. Now, if we come over here to the left-hand side, we can also add sections, right? So if we wanted to add, this whole blue outline is a section where I just added this countdown timer, which I'm going to get rid of. We added it to that section. Now, maybe I want to add a section in between right here. So you can come in here and they've got all these different templates kind of for us. Again, maybe we wanted to do that countdown kind of in its own section. We could do something like that, like coming soon. Go ahead and select that. And this is looking a lot better. So let's come here. We'll go to background. I really don't want that at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. Perfect. We could come here. Welcome to your coffee shop. Yeah, it's got that same text there. Now I would love to, okay, we'll edit that. And now here, this is where we could go ahead and put the due date. So, maybe, it's currently October of 2025. We're opening on Christmas Day. Probably not a great idea. I probably wouldn't encourage you to open business on Christmas Day, but that's what we're doing. That's how we roll here at Eric's Coffee Shop. So we can see 79 days, 2 hours, 4 minutes, 30 seconds until we open on Christmas morning. So be there, be square. And yeah, so we've got all these other tools over here. If we click on pages, we can go to different pages. So far we've only looked at the home page. If we come here to the about page. So if we come up here, let's go to another page. We'll click on manage pages. I'm not sure why this isn't working. Let's come here, name, about, anchor, home, block number 3. Okay, so I guess we just started with a home page. What if we click here? Let's click on about. Okay, so right now it's just a one-page website. Now, if we want to go ahead and add a page, we'll come here to pages, we'll go add page, and we'll select about. And then again, what I love about Network Solutions, it has all these different templates, so you're not staring at a blank screen, and you've got somewhere to start from. So let's go ahead and find something that's gonna work for this. Kind of like the looks of that. We'll go ahead and click select. All right, now as you saw from what we selected, it didn't look like this, but it took our vibe, all the information that we put in there, and it kind of created this for us. So we can see, welcome to Eric's Coffee Shop, sustainable coffee selection, engaging coffee blog, unique merchandise. That was all stuff that I put into the prompt there at the beginning. So again, we're not staring at a blank screen. Maybe we want to change this background, make it, a little harder to see that. Maybe we'll change this to something a little darker, something like that we can see a little better. But yeah, so that's just a super brief introduction into how you can go ahead and get started with your website using Network Solutions. So running a website can sometimes feel like a grind, especially when you're juggling other responsibilities. To stay inspired, regularly visit websites that you admire and note what they do well. Attend webinars or conferences to learn about the latest trends and technologies. Connect with other entrepreneurs and share experiences. Their insights can reignite your enthusiasm. So building a website from scratch is a marathon. There will always be new tools to learn, new design trends to consider, and fresh content to create. Embrace the journey and see each update as an opportunity to improve. Now, if you want to get started with Network Solutions, we've got that link for you down in the description, along with those coupon codes as well. Now, these are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.